In this tutorial, I will show you how to use From Clipboard. From Clipboard allows you to copy text into Clipboard memory and then inserts the copy text into Doc Reader, allowing you to have the document read back to you with full assistive reading support. Click the Media menu. In this demonstration, I'm going to copy some text into Clipboard from the internet. Highlight the text you wish to add to Clipboard. Hold the left mouse button down and drag to highlight the required text. And then do the right click on the mouse button and select copy. Or hold down the left control key and press C to also copy into Clipboard. In the Scan and Read section, click From Clipboard. You now have full support from Doc Read to help read your text.